Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram new phones are not showing or working. So as you guys know that Instagram usually update their phones. So now Instagram has a lot of phone options that you can use, especially on the Instagram story. But how about or why the Instagram phones is not showing or working on your Instagram? So through this tutorial I will help you to fix that problem. So first you can try to go to the Google Play Store, and here just find Instagram. Okay, so in here you can just see if your Instagram is already on the latest version or not. If it hasn't update, it will ask you to update the app by going to, when you open it, it will says update, but mine says open, so it means that I've already on the latest version of Instagram. So this is not the problem. So if you want to fix that again, you can try another solution by going to the app info of Instagram. You can go to your home screen and then just long press on Instagram. In here, go to the app info. Here you can try to clear the cache of the Instagram. You can go to the storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Okay, so after you do that, you can check the problem is solved or not. But if it hasn't, you can open the Instagram apps on your phone, and then here you can go straight to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and then in here you can scroll down until you find this help options. Click on the help, and here you can click on this report a problem. You can just click on report a problem without shaking. Here you can choose between the two, and here you can just briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So for example, I cannot find any new phones on my Instagram. And in here you can upload a picture as a proof, or to show the Instagram team what's not working on your app. So after that, here you can just tap on send and just wait for the Instagram support team to answer your problem report. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.